You might not know this, but I've got a server called Madcraft where basically the Origins mod, but I made it myself. Well, I wanted to try testing, maybe showing off the sort of process that goes into designing these. Let's get on with it. Today I wanted to try out maybe making a Newtonian fluid, non-Newtonian fluid, is that the one? There's really cool things where it's all squishy, then you punch it and it goes rock hard. I hope you know what I'm talking about. Ignore the glasses. It's fine. It would be a fun way to experiment with the new bounciness attribute added as well. The basic idea is the way slime works is if you fall onto it you bounce unless you sneak. If you sneak you stop bouncing. You do however take fall damage. The way the bounciness attribute works is pretty much the same as a slime block. One key difference. If I were to go here and reset the bounciness attribute, then I will take no fall damage whatsoever, unless... Oh, okay, oh yeah, that was removed, okay, wasn't sure. Now, if I set my bounciness back to, say, 10, I should probably check what that would be in equivalent to a slime block, but for now, 10's the number we're sticking with. And then try. It changed how bouncy I am, but I will still die of fall damage, and I should have thought that through. Okay, just had to get something fixed there. The general idea is to try and make it so A, I'd have to remove fall damage, B, I'd have to make this bit of slime blocks easier to traverse up mountains, so maybe make a way where if you sneak, you sort of change how you work, in a manner of speaking. Oh, didn't know about this. But the idea would basically be, when you sneak, it resets all bounciness to 0. So I can try and make it reset other things to 0. For example, sneaking I can decrease sneak speed, and maybe apply some level of resistance when the sneak is enabled. Start off with a basic. 10's a good number to start off with. What else may I need? This is here and ready for if I need to make a repeating circuit. Attributes are permanent though, so that won't be an issue for now. Start off with, let's change sneaking speed to be 0.01. Okay, I'm basically not moving. Let's try a little bit higher than that. This noticeable? It's noticeable movement, just not good. Let's just try 0.1 to see what that does. This seems pretty good. It's a very mobility-based origin currently. With some less mobile drawbacks. In exchange for, let's try more resistance. Think of the default being the squishiness, where it's bouncing around. Then, if need to take a hard chunk of damage, sneak and become solid. Let's just grab my cheat sheet. Okay, I've consulted the cheat sheet, and let's just grab this. Let's just call it slime for now. Run effect, give me resistance for 1 second. Make it resistance gets really strong really fast, so I think that's everything. Done that right. Should get no. Okay. Forgot to right. First, everything working? Okay. Let me consult the cheat sheet. Okay, let's see if this works. Okay. Something wrong? Let's try invisibility just to check. It's definitely not working. Why? Tag slime. If I see, if apply slime, it's looking for a tag slime. What's not working then? What have I missed? Score. Oh right. Slash. I may have forgotten. I may have forgotten to actually make sneak a thing. I found the issue. It's looking for something that doesn't exist. Let's make it exist. Okay, let's try this. Now what? Sneak. Is it the same? Sneak matches one or more effects with. It should be all working. What's wrong? What have I missed? Why no work? This I am indeed stupid. Slash okay. I thought this through. But okay, works. Okay, there. Now, resistance. I want to check if the particle effects look nice, but I don't think they really match what we're bounciness. So let's just change that there to remove the particles. Now the resistance is still there, it's just not visible that it's there. Now to quickly change fall damage. Fall damage multiplier base set 0, because if you bounce it, you don't take fall damage, and if you're not, you won't take fall damage. I want to increase the speed slightly. It makes it really fun to try and just move up, because you'll bounce off if you get the timing wrong. It appears everything is working. Making a few refinements. I kind of want to try messing about with the friction now, but yes, if solid block would have less friction, but that's a whole other can of worms. Okay, my goal today was to try and make an origin based around the bounciness attribute, with the main inspiration being a non-Newtonian fluid, or okay, I know exactly who watches these videos because so far there are only 5 people subscribed and 3 of them are just mills, so I'm fully expecting one of you to start telling me both in the comments and in real life. Speaking of which, if there are any ideas you may want me to try making, please let me know. And only 2 necessary permanent command blocks, as permanent command blocks are needed for toggleable abilities and effects, because while attributes of permanent effects can be cleared with death or milk or a lot of things. So, anything I might be forgetting? If I increase the base speed, that means I'll have to decrease the sneak speed, but it might be worth it. Yeah. Maybe just some basic balancing stuff. Maybe some buffs to make the bit smaller and to make them a bit faster when not sneaking. That would be pretty good. I can't count. Okay, definitely not. Okay, that's... Yep, checks out. Okay. Movement speed. Base set. One's like really fast. Yeah, one is too fast. It's really funny to bounce off stuff though. Just chaos. One is really fun, but I definitely need to now decrease the sneak speed. One's fun, but yeah, okay. Maybe 0.5 maybe? Still pretty fast. Maybe slow it down just one more time. Let's try 2.5. A lot of this is just fiddling around with stuff till it works. Okay, not as chaotic as initially, but still has that fun effect of like if you get bouncing, you're gonna run into things and bounce off them. Yeah, I'll go for 0.3 then. Is it? Every other movement variable is based off your except flight speed, which is not relevant in survival mode. Every movement-based attribute is based off every movement speed attribute is based off the movement speed attribute. If you increase the movement speed, the sneak speed also increases. So I'm gonna need to decrease that slightly. Okay, this is looking pretty good. Yeah, so this has been my creation of just a non-Newtonian fluid, I guess. It might actually be pretty fun to play with, but any ideas for the next one, please let me know in the comments, in case anyone other than the 3 people who I see pretty much every day had actually noticed this video. Please let me know. Yeah, I'm just trying out lots of different kinds of videos, some different kind of animation videos, some different Minecraft videos. So maybe just walking through all the different things that I usually do to make origins will be something fun, and it'll mean I can make some origins that I wouldn't really be making otherwise. So I'll see. So I guess I'll see you in the next one, and bye.